Once upon a time, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions set out on a long journey. Suddenly, a bird flew over to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The bird was flapping its wings and looked worried. Then the bird spoke to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and told him that one of the companions had taken its eggs from its nest. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam then told the companions to stop all the caravans, horses and camels. This was not an easy thing to do, as there were so many of them. However, they all stopped. Then Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Who took the eggs from the bird's nest?" The companions were silent as they waited for someone to step forward. Sure enough, one of the companions stepped forward and said, "I did, Ya Rasulullah." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiled and said, "Then you should give them back to the bird." The companion then walked over to the nest and returned the eggs. The bird then thanked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and flew away.